SCASA is a one-person company, basically intends to provide services which is actually through knowledge and by enriching people's life through training and development, transforming people's life by developing their competency level. SCASA aims to be the #1 consultancy company in terms of providing knowledge to people in different organizations in different sectors. We put utmost importance to the quality of service and the commitment, then ultimately customer satisfaction, obviously the output and the end result of its service. We value our customers at first place. Our sincerity, our transparency, our honesty and hard work, dedication, these are all values of SCASA which all the team members follow it very strictly and very sincerely.
All of us know that learning is a lifelong process, and there are informal kinds of learning through our parental socialization, schooling and other forms of training. But when SCASA is thinking of training, it is a more kind of planned and induced kind of learning program or a training program where there are very specific objectives.
Basically, we offer training and development kind of activities in different organizations and in different sectors, maybe public sector, private sector, government sector. But apart from this training and development, which is based on actually soft skill areas, we also take up areas like business management and operation, IT, then market research, and these are newly added areas where SCASA is looking at. SCASA is very different in its approach, which we name it as QUAC. Q stands for quality, U stands for uniqueness, A stands for analytical process, and then C stands for commitment, and K stands for knowledge. So these are the basic things. We always try to focus on these areas, and the ultimate success and ultimate target is our audience. We always try to get connected with the audience. That is the specialty where we actually gain our market. Core strength is our team. Our team members are from varied experiences, and they come from very reputed organizations like IIT, Harvard, Queen's University of Canada, XIMB, and Indian consultants from Indian Forest Service. So this gives a lot of strength to our organization. And then the second one, our range is very wide. We start the training, we focus to the corporate sector, and then our target is also approaching the student level at schools also. So the range of training is very wide. Apart from training and development, we also cover many other areas like operation, business management, then IT, then market research. So these are varied areas where SCASA is looking after. International accreditations of SCASA is very praiseworthy, because the members have presented many papers on many areas like leadership, motivation, stress management in Sydney, Dubai, Los Angeles University of Riverside in Japan. In Japan, these members attended a quality program, and they were certified by JUSE, and we have got the authorization to certify the organization where we are implementing 5S system. Our associated members are one is Quality Circle Forum of India, which we call it as QCFI, and one more is Karma. In QCFI, we are implementing 5S system, which is a quality concept. We are implementing it in industries and in many sectors. I mean, all the sectors can include this quality concept in their organization, just for the workplace management and business excellence. And the other one is Karma, which is a joint venture with SCASA that specifically and specially deals with the IT sector. I mean, developing process systems, business analytic processes, then creating databases, etc.
SCASA recently started doing 5S implementation, which is a very important thing given the environment of business and organization. The QCFI organization, which owns the 5S process, they came to SCASA went to them, the integration started, SCASA we started implementing 5S processes in multiple places. But now, SCASA leadership is a part of people development cell at QCFI. So first, SCASA went to QCFI to start 5S training and implementation, and now QCFI has come to SCASA to take the leadership from Biswal madam, which I think it speaks a volume about how the leadership here and how the team works with its entities that it's working with.
Our clients are many, but I can name few, which includes both, all private sector, public sector, government sector, education sector. From corporate sector, I can name Tata Steel, Aditya Birla, JSPL, and from public sector, I can include NTPC, RSP, and then from government sector, maybe Ramadevi University, Rajdhani College, and private academic institution, XIMB. So these are major and very important clients for us.
We also want in Odisha to have better quality in education. So we want to train the teachers and the students for a better future, in which they'll be able to get good jobs in society, and to deal wherever they get jobs, they should be able to speak their mind, because nowadays the younger generation, they really need this kind of training. So we want them to learn more of these kind of trainings, which will really help them in future.